How to get Snapchat Plus subscription for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Snapchat Plus subscription for free. So now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your App Store and upgrade your Snapchat. So just search for Snapchat, and after you search for it, check if there is an update available. If there is, just hit update. After you do so, you can go to your Snapchat, and after you're on your Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. Now tap on your settings, that is on the top right. It is represented by a gear icon, and now you're on your settings. Now on the top you will see Snapchat's join Snapchat Plus for something amount. Tap on it, and there you can see Snapchat Plus's feature. So here you can pin someone as your best friend. You can custom app themes, you can change chat wallpapers, you can use AI creative tools. You can choose your story boost. You can boost your stories. You can replay again, you'll get an extra replay. You can restore your snap streaks and so much more. So after you're here, tap on next, and as you can see right there, for the monthly plan you'll get the first 7 days off. So we will be using the first 7 days free. So to do this, tap on start trial, and after it takes a while to load, you can just add a payment method and you can pay for it and use the first 7 days for free. So that is pretty much it guys. That is all for the video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.